What's the meaning of awestruck? Awestruck. Awestruck.
Awestruck. Awestruck. Awestruck refers to the feeling of being in complete admiration, wonder, and amazement at something. It is a state of intense emotional and mental impact that leaves one feeling overwhelmed and speechless. When a person is awestruck, they are so captivated by what they see or experience that they become momentarily lost in the moment. It is a feeling that can be triggered by a variety of things, including natural phenomena, impressive feats of human achievement, or even personal experiences that are deeply meaningful. Overall, being awestruck is a powerful and humbling experience that can leave a lasting impression on the individual.